Hello everyone, this is Somya and you're watching the Global Tales. Today I'm back with a new workout that's designed to make sure that you burn at least 250 calories in 15 minutes. Workout is designed by keeping in mind the requirements of the teenager. So if you're a teenager and looking for an amazing workout for yourself, it is a fun dance workout for you. It's definitely a low intensity but a high endurance training where the intensity is not that too much, but still you can work out for a longer period of time and burn a lot of calories, torch it from your body, lose fat, and yes, get great results out of it. So yes, I hope you will find this video very useful, very effective, and try it for yourself from today itself and do it for at least next 21 days to get the best results out of it. It's a fun, energetic, and a burning workout that you are going to love once you try it for yourself. Also, in this video, we are going to play an interactive game wherein I'm going to ask you few questions once in every break. We are going to take break once after every 5 minutes wherein you are going to take rest, grab a sip of water and answer the question. So there are going to be 3 breaks and 3 questions once after every break. Once after 5 minutes, there will be the first question. Once after 10 minutes, there will be second question. Once after 15 minutes, you'll find the third question. Our glories who answer all the 3 questions correctly will pick 3 lucky winners and will get some great goodies and prizes from the Global Tales family. So yes, I hope you are excited because I'm really excited about it. So yes, let's go and do it for ourselves. Make sure that you do it regularly. Send me your post-workout pictures, your transformation pictures. I'll be waiting for it on my Instagram ID. My Instagram handle is here. Do follow me there because I really get motivated by seeing your post-workout pictures like everyone else does. So yes, let's get into the video. Wait, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Then only you will be a part of our GGT family, get notified about all the healthy fitness challenges and the diet challenges coming really very soon on this channel. So we begin with our energetic cardio dance workout. Simply marching there. And now we are going to go side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 2, 3, 4. And relax. Take it from the side. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And go, 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 go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. And clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Amazing. Again, we go on first jogging. three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Take it from the side. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And go, 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 go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Time for the first break. Grab a sip of water and answer this question. What do you think burns more calories? 15 minutes of running or 30 minutes of walking? Easy. Keep on going. And we'll rotate. 1, 2,
can you feel the
we'll
groove?
do shift.
Grab
1,
somebody,
2,
let it
3,
go.
4, 1,
Everybody,
2, 3, 4,
can you
1,
feel the
2, 3,
groove?
4, 1, 2,
Grab
3,
somebody,
1,
let
2,
it go.
3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Everybody,
One more time. Time.
grab somebody,
1, 2, 3, 4. Relax.
grab somebody.
We're going to 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You engaging? But
You
enjoy.
got me feeling,
Relax.
you got me
Breathing.
feeling alright.
Out.
Whenever
Slow me
I'm
down.
around you, baby,
1,
you
2,
make me feel
3,
so
4,
alive.
6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Continue. Onto this. Move your way as much as you can. Burn a lot of calories. Keep on going. And we will take 1, 2, we'll do shift. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Everybody, can you feel the groove?
One more time.
Grab somebody, let it go.
1, 2, 3, 4, go. Relax.
You make me feel so
And we
alive.
go on to 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Everybody, can you feel the groove? Grab somebody, let it go.
Breathe in.
Everybody,
Out.
can you feel the
Go
groove?
slowly down.
Grab somebody,
1,
let
2,
it go.
3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8.
Grab
Again. 1,
somebody,
2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4.
grab somebody,
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Continue. Onto this. Move your way as much as you can. Burn a lot of calories. Keep on going. And we'll rotate. 1, 2, we'll do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
You
One
got me
more time.
feeling,
Time.
you got me feeling
1, 2,
alright.
3, 4.
Whenever I'm
Relax.
around you, baby, you make me
And
feel so
we go on to
alive.
question for all of you. What do you think is the right intermittent fasting cycle to begin with? Is it 12 is to 12, 14 is to 12, 18 is to 6, or 16 is to 8? And dancing. So go and let's tone your bellies. Move it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we'll go on side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, hop start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, 4, 1. So, let's go and go and go. We'll go for stretching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Side change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. We'll go twist, twist, and twist. Last twist, twist, and twist. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And relax and dancing. So go and let's tone your bellies. Move it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we go on side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side change. 1, 2, last question for all of you. Here are the two pictures that you can see on the screen. Which do you think has more calories? Pick your answer and let me know in the comment section. So yes, that was it about today's workout. I hope you find this video very interesting. This was something different, something new that we tried, and I hope you will find it useful. Definitely we will be waiting for your answers, because it will make you motivate you to do this workout more and more. So all of this is designed to make sure that you work out more and you try to gather as much as information as possible about health, about nutrition, about your food, because that's really important. You are because of your body, so you need to know each and everything about it. So these quizzes, these questions will make it more fun, more interesting for you to know about your body. So that was the main point and the reason why we included it in this video. So yes, I hope you will find it useful. You burn those amazing calories, answer these questions, and I'll be seeing you soon with a new video. Bye bye. Till then, take care of yourself. I'll be waiting for your post-workout pictures and your transformation pictures, because I really love to see them. Bye bye. Stay fit, stay happy. I love you all.